ahead and turn on the computer. I'll be first showing you all the corruptions going on into the computer, the error reports which were sent to the computer, and then I'll help you to eradicate them.
Okay, I'll push the start button.
Just turn on the computer and let me know.
Yep, I've pushed the start button.
Yep. Look on the keyboard at the extremely left hand side. You can see the start button, the 4 flag Windows key.
Oh, the start button?
Yes, the start key. You need to press that start key along with the letter R.
Ah, okay, so I pushed the start button.
Yeah. Have you done that?
Yes, I've pushed the start button.
Now, what can you see on the screen?
Oh, the screen, I can see the start button on the screen.
You can see the start button on the screen.
Yeah, start button.
Can you see the start button on your face?
Yeah, I can see the start button. Oh.